Welcome to Next Gen Motors, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest auto industry updates, and expert insights into the vehicles that are shaping the future of driving. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest releases, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that like button, share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2027 ISUZU Panthar SUV, a model that's making serious waves across the automotive landscape. Known traditionally for its rugged trucks and commercial vehicles, ISUZU is making a bold return to the passenger SUV market in the United States with the Panthar, and this time it's going all out. Designed to compete in the growing segment of mid-size sporty SUVs, the 2027 Panthar is a fusion of muscular design, modern tech, and practical versatility, making it a standout in its class. The exterior of the 2027 ISUZU Panthar demands attention with an aggressive, athletic stance. It features a wide grille with a sleek mesh pattern, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlamps that deliver excellent visibility and a distinctive signature on the road. The sculpted body lines flow dynamically from front to rear, enhancing both aerodynamics and aesthetics. With a high ground clearance and bold wheel arches housing 20-inch alloy wheels, the Panthar is ready to tackle city streets and off-road trails alike. The rear showcases a modern wraparound taillight design that stretches across the tailgate, giving the SUV a high-tech and premium feel. Under the hood, the 2027 Panthar offers multiple engine options depending on the trim level. The base variant comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine delivering around 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides a balanced mix of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for daily driving. For those seeking more thrill, the Panthar Sport trim includes a 3.0-liter V6 engine producing close to 350 horsepower. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive system, the Panthar handles both urban and rugged environments with confidence and control. The Panthar also impresses with its dynamic handling and refined ride quality. ISUZU has worked hard on suspension tuning to ensure that the Panthar feels stable at highway speeds while remaining composed on rougher terrain. Steering is precise, and body roll is minimal for an SUV in this category, giving drivers a sense of connection and control whether they're navigating tight corners or cruising long distances. Inside, the Panthar continues to surprise with a modern, upscale interior that combines comfort with smart design. The cabin is spacious, offering generous headroom and legroom in both the front and rear seats. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft-touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and metallic accents that elevate the overall ambience. The dashboard layout is driver-focused and ergonomically designed, with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. The interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in navigation. There are also multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 10-speaker premium audio system for immersive sound. In terms of utility, the Panthar does not disappoint. The rear seats fold flat in a 60-40 split, opening up a generous cargo area that's perfect for weekend gear, luggage, or home improvement runs. Roof rails are standard, allowing for additional cargo solutions like roof boxes or bike racks. For those with towing needs, the V6 model can tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it a strong contender for adventurous families or outdoor enthusiasts. Safety and driver assistance technology is another area where the 2027 ISUZU Panthar excels. It comes standard with a full suite of features including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and an advanced parking assist system. These systems work together to provide a secure and confident driving experience whether you're in tight urban settings or on the open highway. ISUZU has also taken environmental concerns into account by offering a mild hybrid version of the Panthar that integrates a small electric motor to assist the combustion engine, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. While it's not a full EV, this option represents a thoughtful step toward sustainability without sacrificing performance. With the 2027 Panthar, ISUZU has re-established itself as a serious player in the mid-size SUV segment. It blends rugged performance with modern comforts, advanced safety, and bold styling, all at a competitive price point that's expected to start in the mid-$30,000 range. This SUV is clearly aimed at those who need a versatile and capable vehicle but don't want to compromise on design or technology. So what do you think about the new ISUZU Panthar? Is this the SUV that finally puts ISUZU back on the map for American buyers? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Motors for more reviews like this one. Like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon.